Welcome to this exclusive 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3-story corner terrace in District 23, Villa Verde. I'm Emily from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. This rare 99-year leasehold property is just minutes away from UT MRT, offering a spacious 2,992 square feet of land. Sitting on higher ground at Verde Grove, this corner terrace ensures privacy and minimal traffic noise. With a regular-shaped living area, 3.5 meter ceiling height and marble flooring, the layout is efficient for space planning. The living space is perfect for hosting gatherings, complemented by ample natural light. The dining area, segmented on a split level, accommodates 8 to 10 guests and provides easy access to the outside. Home cooks will appreciate the extensive kitchen, featuring both wet and dry areas. Countertop space and storage abound, making meal preparation a breeze. The backyard offers possibilities for greenery and alfresco dining, and the north-south facing unit ensures a bright and breezy interior. This corner unit boasts a granny's room on the first floor alongside a helper's bedroom. This setup is ideal for multi-generational living or can be adapted for a study, home office or expanded kitchen space. The second floor hosts the master bedroom and the junior master room, both spacious and comfortable. The junior master room comes with its own ensuite bathroom, offering ample space for various furniture arrangements. Level 3 features a family hall with versatile space for customization, along with 2 common rooms that allow for flexible furniture placement. Minimal built-ins make it easy to configure and redesign the rooms to suit your preferences. Don't miss the opportunity to explore this exclusive corner terrace that seamlessly combines modern living with thoughtful design for multi-generation comfort. Once again, I'm Emily here. If this is your dream house, contact me for an exclusive viewing.